white shirts, bald caps, black ties, sunglasses. Obviously, we're at Pitbull. Why is it important for you to wear the caps?
Well, you can't go to Pitbull if you're not bald.
Exactly, we couldn't do like one without the other, so.
Exactly.
And are you feeling very Pitbull today?
I am feeling very Pitbull. I'm feeling very warm. I'm not looking forward to taking this off later. It's like a swimming pool. I won't lie to you.
Why did you decide to wear the caps?
To look like Pitbull?
Yeah.
To look like Pitbull, exactly.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
And what
He is
about
bald.
the glam element to the Pitbull get up?
Pretty, go out after, rip bald cap
Yeah,
off.
we're going out after.
So you're going to be ripping that
Ripping
thing.
it off, take the glue off the sides.
remover,
Yeah.
we're all good. We're all good.
Fireball. You better move.
You better move.
You better dance.
You guys look amazing.
Thank you very much.
And are you hot?
Yes, it is very hot, yeah. But it's worth being hot, yeah. For
And
sure.
why did you decide to wear the caps to Pitbull?
I think you don't have a choice. You have to. You have to make
Gotta do
Pitbull
it.
proud.
You gotta do it.
And how did you put it on? Like, these are really stuck down. How did you put them on?
With lash glue. We used lash glue, yeah.
Eyelash
Just from
glue.
the drugstore, yeah.
Why did you go with the pink?
Because I had nothing else at home and I figured might as well. It fits with the name and it fits with the style.
Love it, love it. Are you guys so excited? Big Pitbull fans?
So big.
Yeah, darling.
So excited. I've been excited about this for a year now.
And what do you love so much about Pitbull?
Just the music, the vibe, just everything. His stage presence, everything's just Dali.
Yeah, he's Mr. Worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide!
Yeah.
What's your favourite song?
Oh, I feel like Hotel Room. I've been excited
Yeah.
about this for a year now.
And what do you love so much about Pitbull?
Just the music, the vibe, just everything. His stage presence, everything's just Dali.
Yeah, he's Mr. Worldwide.
305.
One more time, one more time.
305.